Hello crafters, welcome back for another video. I'm Yana Smakula and I'm happy you decided to stop by. I'm hoping you will enjoy this tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell too to be notified of every new upload. This video features 5 different ways to use Nuvo Drops. Now some might be obvious to you and I'm sure you've already used your Nuvo Drops in this way, but other ways might be new, and if they are, I hope you'll give them a go in your crafting. My favorite way and the most popular way to use Nuvo Drops is probably as a pretty round embellishment on a card. After all, this is the main purpose of this product and what it was designed to do. Here you can see a few of my favorite card ideas embellished using various Nuvo Drops from Tonic. If you want to take a look at any of these in detail, please check the video description and associated blog post where I have links to all of these projects on my blog. Since Nuvo Drops come in so many different colors, it's easy to match them to any project and use all the time. My favorite and most used drops, however, are white, black, and clear. And if you're new to this product and thinking about giving it a try, these are the 3 colors that I would suggest you start with. The next way to use Nuvo Drops is on an entire card background. You can use your Nuvo Drops not only as an accent on a card, but to dress up and enhance an entire card background. I had a ton of white space on this butterfly card, so to fill it in, I used Nuvo Drops in coordinating colors and added a myriad of color drops in different sizes. It was very easy to do, and the result is striking. Here's another similar example, but with jewel drops. These are translucent, so they don't look as vibrant on a card, yet they still add a ton of interest to your background. In the same way, if you have a background stamp, you can use Nuvo Drops to dress it up and add it to select sections of that background. If you like to add scoring or dry embossing to your card backgrounds, you can add drops on the intersections of those score lines. Here are a few examples with a gloss white and also white pearl drops on a scored background. Here's another example of how Nuvo Drops can be used all over a background of a card. I also love to pair my Nuvo Drops with colored cardstock to use drops as an extension of a design on the background, like I have here with this colorful floral card. Pretty cool, right? Now, speaking of flowers, the next way to use Nuvo Drops is as flower centers. Yes, you can add pretty dimensional centers to your stamped or die-cut flowers to make them pop. Here are a few examples of the cards that I've made in the past using Nuvo Drops to make pretty centers for my flowers. In the same way, you can use your red Nuvo Drops as berries on Christmas cards. I love doing this and the results are always fantastic. You can use either red drops or clear drops over red stamped and colored berries. Next, you would be surprised, but you can color small shapes with your Nuvo Drops. Now, I say small because you don't want to apply a thick coat of Nuvo Drops over a large area as it might crack. But you can easily add little colorful circles or ovals to color simple shapes on your cards. Here's my favorite one, where I used a few colors of Nuvo Drops to color lights on the palm trees. Or this one, where I used white and red drops to make Christmas lights on a 1-layer holiday card. Another super fun way to use Nuvo Drops, clear drops specifically, is as water bubbles. You can also use many other similar products for this effect, but I specifically like how Nuvo Drops hold their form and give me perfect little water bubbles on my cards. By the way, if you want to add several drops that are connected to each other, first add a center drop, let it dry, and then add the other 2 drops on the sides. This way, each drop will maintain its shape. Another way to use Nuvo Drops is through a stencil. This is not my idea, but something that I saw my friend Marie do in her recent video. She blew my mind with this technique, and I can't wait to give it a try myself. I've asked Marie permission to share this footage in my video, but please do go over her YouTube channel, it's linked in the card here, to watch her full video. I hope you'll give these ideas a try. If you do, please share online and tag me on social media. I love seeing what you guys are making. On the screen, there's a link to my latest IKEA Skatis pegboard setup in case you missed it. Subscribe now not to miss any new card making videos. Love you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye!